The Sailor's Odyssey. In the quaint coastal town of Mariner's Haven lived a sailor named Elias. With salt in his veins and the sea in his soul, Elias had spent his life navigating the vast oceans. His ship, the Ocean's Whisper, was his sanctuary, a vessel that had seen countless sunsets and weathered many storms. One fateful morning, Elias received a weathered map from an old friend, hinting at an uncharted island rumored to hold secrets that could change a man's life. With a heart full of curiosity and a spirit yearning for adventure, Elias set sail, leaving behind the familiar shores of Mariner's Haven. As the Ocean's Whisper cut through the waves, Elias felt a mix of excitement and trepidation. The open sea stretched endlessly before him, a canvas of blue and green, dotted with the occasional silhouette of distant islands. The salty breeze whispered tales of ancient mariners and forgotten treasures, fueling his determination. Days turned into weeks, and the journey tested Elias's resilience. He faced fierce storms that tossed the ship like a toy, and moments of eerie calm where the ocean seemed to hold its breath. Each challenge was met with unwavering resolve, his hand steady on the wheel, his eyes scanning the horizon for signs of the elusive island. One moonlit night, as the stars shimmered like diamonds on the water, Elias spotted a faint glow on the horizon. His heart raced as he steered the ship towards the light, the promise of discovery driving him forward. As dawn broke, the island emerged from the mist, a lush paradise with towering palms and pristine beaches. Elias anchored the Ocean's Whisper and set foot on the island, his senses alive with the sights and sounds of this new world. The air was thick with the scent of exotic flowers, and the calls of unfamiliar birds echoed through the trees. He explored the island with a sense of wonder, each step revealing hidden waterfalls, ancient ruins, and vibrant wildlife. But the island held more than just natural beauty. In a secluded cave, Elias discovered a chest filled with artifacts and scrolls, remnants of a long-lost civilization. As he studied the scrolls, he realized they contained knowledge that could revolutionize navigation and seafaring. The weight of his discovery settled on his shoulders, a mix of awe and responsibility. Elias spent weeks on the island, absorbing its secrets and reflecting on his journey. The solitude allowed him to connect with his inner self, to understand the true essence of his adventurous spirit. He realized that the journey was not just about finding the island, but about discovering his own resilience and capacity for wonder. With a heart full of newfound wisdom, Elias set sail for home, the Ocean's Whisper laden with treasures and knowledge. As he approached Mariner's Haven, he felt a sense of fulfillment and purpose. The journey had changed him, deepened his connection to the sea, and revealed the boundless possibilities that lay beyond the horizon. Elias's tale became a legend in Mariner's Haven, inspiring future generations of sailors to embrace the unknown and embark on their own odysseys. And so, the spirit of adventure lived on, carried by the whispers of the ocean and the hearts of those who